Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prajashini and Prajashini Blog. So today I am going to do an experiment on effect of temperature on solubility. For doing that, we need a glass of hot water, a glass of cold water, and sugar and some sugar. So here I will add some sugar in this cold water. And here I will add some sugar in this hot water also. Now I will add this sugar also in the cold water, and some sugars in this hot water. Again I will add some sugars. I am adding this sugar again and again because I want to see that which in which water it is dissolving more. Now again I will add the sugar in this hot water. So now after adding many times, you can see the sugar here, and in this it is dissolved, means it is soluble. You cannot see anything, means little it is visible, but more it is not visible in this hot water. So this experiment is on about saturated solution. You have a doubt. I know you have a doubt that what is saturated solution. Saturated solution is that a solution in which we will add many times that object and it will not dissolve, and we will keep on adding till that object is not dissolved. So that is called saturated solution. Thank you.